Bhagavad Gita lifestyle changes and creates peace and harmony in the universe. Chapter 3 Karma Yoga. Test 31. ये मे मतमिदं नित्यमनुतिष्ठन्ति मानवा श्रद्धावन्तो अनुसूयन्तो मुच्यन्ते तेऽपि कर्मभिः. Those who abide by these teachings of mine with a profound faith and free from envy are released from the bondage of karma. जो मनुष्य आगाध श्रद्धा के साथ मेरे इन उपदेशों का पालन करते हैं और दोष दृष्टि से परे रहते हैं, वे भी कर्म के बंधनों से मुक्त हो जाते हैं. పూర్తి శ్రద్ధ విశ్వాసంతో అసూయ లేకుండా నా ఈ బోధనలను పాటించేవారు కర్మబంధం నుండి విముక్తులవుతారు. ప్రాక్టికల్ అప్లికేషన్స్. Those who follow and practice Bhagavad Gita daily, they will have a faith in Krishna and their karmas will be nullified and get liberation. Those who read, practice and teach Gita but no faith on him never reach him. Those who surrender and work sincerely, easily they will approach him. The children who follow the parents and the employees who follow the boss will certainly reach their targets provided it is unselfish. Prabhupada ki jai. Hare Krishna.